How to track Smile in a Box cases. Understand how to navigate the dashboard. Be able to use the filter function to manage and prioritize pending tasks. In the dashboard, you can easily check the status of your orders, including pending tasks, upcoming calls, upcoming shipments, and recent treatment sessions. To view your pending tasks, click See All Smile in a Box tasks, or simply click the Smile in a Box button. You can use the filter function to narrow down your results. If you select Action Needed, you will be able to filter cases that are awaiting your action. If you have a scheduled call, you can join it directly from the Upcoming Calls section. In the Upcoming Shipments section, you can find the tracking number for your Smile in a Box delivery.